The Sneeze Factory. When your nose feels that tickle, these Tine heroes go on high alert. Red alert! Incoming sneeze detected!
We're losing control of the nostril gates!
They're working overtime to prepare for the big launch.
Achoo! Just like that, at the 160 km/h.
And the cycle starts all over again, inside your amazing body.
Next sneeze on you, boss.
Subscribe to SmartDoc SL for more tiny adventures inside you. Science has never been this fun.